Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 5. In today's video, we are going to start lesson number 9, nervous system. So in the nervous system, at the end of this chapter, you will be able to explain the importance of the nervous system. You will be able to recognize the parts of the nervous system and can list to their functions. And the difference between different types of nerves also you will see, and you will be able to examine the usefulness of the sense organs. So about the sense organs, you have already studied in your previous classes, like we have 5 sense organs: our eyes for seeing, for smelling, nose for hearing, ears for tasting, the tongue, and for to feel the touch we have sense organ, skin. So these are our sense organs which makes us feel the different responses. Okay, so here memory matters. Let's see, can you answer this question? When we accidentally touch a hot vessel, we immediately pull our hand away. What makes us to do this? Actually, our sense organs makes us to do this, because whatever the hot object or cold object we touch or feel, immediately our body respond to it. So which system controls all these things? Actually, our nervous system controls all these sense organs, and our nerves actually take and send the messages of different responses. Okay, our body is made up of so many parts. As you know that our body is made up of so many parts, you know that our internal organs also, and our sense organs, and our hands, legs, all the movable objects and immovable, already you have studied in previous lessons. So how does it still act as one unit? So as we have many organs, but how can it work as one unit? The nervous system makes this possible. So we have different organ system, different parts of the body we have, different organs we have. So all these are controlled by our nervous system. Our nervous system makes it possible to work it as a one unit. The nervous system is the most important organ system. See, all organ systems are important in our body, but these all are controlled actually by the nervous system. So that's why it is very important. It controls all other body parts and enables them to communicate with one another. It helps us to see, hear, feel, smell, think, write, remember things, play, dance, and perform various other activities. Whatever the activities our body parts perform, our internal organs perform, these all are controlled by nervous system. It consists of the following parts. Okay, now we will see the parts of the nervous system. Remember, this nervous system is the main, it is related to our brain. Okay, so these are the parts of our nervous system. Let's see. First is the brain. It acts like a computer. Our brain acts like a computer. Next, from the brain, the spinal cord, which is attached in the skeletal system and muscular system, you have seen that a nerve, that is spinal cord, which starts from the brain, and it passes from our backbone. Actually, backbone protects this spinal cord. At our back, this spinal cord is passing from our brain, from the neck, and through the backbone. Actually, this backbone, this vertebrae, protects this spinal cord. It acts like a thick cable. Okay, brain is like a computer and spinal cord is a thick cable, means it connecting wire, we can say. Then nerves, they act like thin wires connecting everything in our body to our brain. So nerves, you can see, they are in all the parts of our body. In this diagram you can see which yellow thin lines you can see, these all are nerves. Okay, so these nerves, they act like thin wires connecting everything in our body to our brain. So how this computer is fixed and connected? The main brain is the main computer. Then spinal cord is the main cable, and other all veins are like small thin wires. Understood? The network of our nerves. This is the network of our nerves. Our sense organs are also a part of the nervous system. The sense organs make us aware of our surroundings. So as nerves act like thin wires and they're connecting everything in our body to the brain. So from this sense, our sense organs are also connected to the nervous system. The sense organs make us aware of our surroundings. So let's see all these parts of our nervous system in detail. First one is brain. The brain is the control center of a whole body. It receives information or messages from different parts of the body. Brain receives information or messages from different parts of the body. When we are saying the brain is like computer, just you think about the computer which is getting information from all body parts, okay, receiving the information. It processes the information and transmits relevant instructions for the concerned body parts. When this brain is getting the messages from the nerves, then it is giving some instructions to the body to how to respond it. What are the instructions brain is giving? How to respond for the particular change. If we are getting a cool touch to our hand, how we should respond. If we are getting a hot feeling, when we touch a hot thing, how to respond with that. Our brain gives instruction. If you are tasting a sweet, if you are eating a sweet, so brain gives the information to tongue how to give the response, to give it sweet response, to give it sour response, or to give it hot response or cold response. Our brain gives information, instruction to our body parts. Understood, children? It is very clear. Our nerves are giving messages to brain, then brain is giving instructions to the body, and our body work accordingly. When something is there, the thing of sorrow, so our brain gives the instruction to be sad. If something we see and we feel that is the thing for giving us happiness, so our brain gives us instruction to show the happiness for the particular situation. Okay, understood how this computer is working with the main cable and with the thin wires. Okay, so our brain is working like a main computer center of our whole body. The brain controls all our actions, including what we do, what we think, what we say, how we behave, and how we learn. All these things we observe, we grasp because of the control of our brain. The brain has three main parts. They are cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Remember, these are the three parts of the brain: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Here in this picture, you can see the parts of the brain. This is the diagram of brain. This is the picture of brain. So this part here, you can see this zigzag design. This is the part of the brain which is called cerebrum, and below this cerebrum, you can see this is cerebellum, and this pipe-like structure, it is called medulla. Okay, so let's see these parts in detail. First one is cerebrum. This part we are going to see about. The largest and main part of the brain is the cerebrum. It has many grooves and folds. So can you see these grooves and foldings in this cerebrum? It has many folds that make it look like a walnut. Is it not like a walnut? What is walnut? Have you seen the walnut? The shape is like the folds and grooves you can find. Okay, it performs the following functions. It is associated with speech, memory, and emotions. So our speech, whatever we talk, whatever we speak, and our memory, what we remember, and our emotions means happiness, or if we are sad, if we are laughing, if we are crying. So these all emotions, they are connected to cerebrum. Okay, it helps us to learn. It controls thinking, reasoning, and intelligence. It controls movements. It controls the sense organs. So the main part, cerebrum, it controls our thinking, reasoning, our intelligence. It controls our movement, and it also controls our sense organs. Okay, children. The next part of the lesson we will continue in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.